Hey, what's up? Hopefully everyone's going well. So, as you see, quite interesting stuff on the table. Last time we discussed different things about how to save money on the things like natural shampoo, soap, different skincare products and so on. So why not make something really cool at home, like the homemade perfume? So basically, if you know how to do it, you can save a lot of money and have a lot of fun. Let's say with your kids, for example. So, long word short, it's many ways to do it, but I just give you an example, and you can find a lot of recipe online and can do yourself, or you just can make some fun experiment. So you need a methyl alcohol, and if you wanna make the smell of alcohol disappear, you use a fixative mask. It smells quite nice, but if you don't like it, you cannot use it. It's really up to you. We use alcohol because when it helps to spread the smells around when it's vaporing. So you use it 25% to 100% of ethyl alcohol. So if it's here 20 milliliters, it will be only 5. Then it has such things like the base smell, the base nose, middle nose, and the small, top nose. It's the length of the smell, what's strongest one. So the base one, it would last long and like several hours. Let's say some woody or whatever. So basically, yeah, we have a lot of different kind of ingredients. You can find it online, like some concentrate oils or whatever with different kind of smells and flavors, or you can come to any healthy organic shop and they take the powers of the flowers or barks or roots and make it for you super natural and take the oils and so on. But all the organic stuff, it might be quite pricey. So middle nose, it's stay about 30 minutes, kind of lemon flower, not lemon, it's will be some flowers like roses or lilies or whatever, like 30 minutes more or less. And the top, what like really just for 5 minutes, like different sweets, lemons, berries, etc. So you use these three for make this nice aroma and aftertaste and so on, depend from your ideas. But about what you will mix it, it also depends from your ideas. So it's 1 million different types of varieties what we can do. So everything you can buy like online, everything what you need. It's not that expensive, so if you spend like 20-30 bucks, you can get everything what you need. And then when you mix it up, everything, you can get some taste of that. Maybe we'll make some business, who knows. So when we base the alcohol and the mixer, so we put it like for the 3 days until it get ready, and you can use it. Also, you can make the base on oil. You can use the oil. It can be like literally any kind of oil, mostly use jojoba, whatever. Or you can mix your perfume with the oil later, would help to stay longer on your skin or on your clothes and so on. So basically, I'll tell you super briefly how you can do it at home. I will not tell you any recipes, millions online, but maybe make another video later on. So just have fun, and yeah, basically literally everything easily you can do at home, beginning from the soap, shampoo, perfume, whatever. And yeah, you can have quite creative time. So thank you for watching, stay well, see you later.